Hi, welcome to this course on bioinformatics. So what exactly is bioinformatics? Simply put, it's using computers to understand life. In more formal terms, it's the application of computational methods to analyze, understand, and interpret biological data at scale. Why does it matter? Because modern biology produces massive amounts of data, from DNA sequences and genes to protein structures. For example, the human genome has over 3 billion DNA letters. Sequencing machines can produce a million DNA reads in a single day. Without bioinformatics, this data would be impossible to analyze manually. With it, computers can process insights in minutes instead of months. If you're curious about how technology is transforming biology, this course is your perfect starting point. Let's dive in.
The story of bioinformatics begins in 1953 with the discovery of DNA's double helix. By 1977, scientists could sequence DNA, slowly but surely. In 1990, the Human Genome Project launched, demanding computational power never seen before. When it completed in 2003, a new profession was born, the bioinformatician. Next-generation sequencing in the 2010s and AI breakthroughs like AlphaFold in 2020 transformed biology forever.
Sequencing a genome once cost billions and took years. Today, it costs less than a week's salary and takes a single day. Hospitals now sequence hundreds of patients daily, creating billions of data points. Bioinformatics and AI make this data meaningful, enabling precision medicine and an exploding job market. During COVID-19, bioinformaticians sequenced the virus genome, modeled its proteins, and helped design vaccines in record time, months instead of years. By analyzing tumor genomes, we can match drugs to each patient's unique mutations, turning one-size-fits-all therapy into precision care. AI and bioinformatics screen millions of compounds digitally, cutting development time from 15 years to 5 and cost by half.
Biology is a story told in layers, and each layer reveals a different chapter of life. At the foundation, genomics gives us the DNA blueprint, every letter that defines our unique identity. Moving up, transcriptomics shows which the RNA genes are actually active, acting as the dynamic messengers within our cells. Proteomics then explores the world of proteins, the true molecular machines that keep everything running. Finally, metabolomics tracks the chemical fingerprints left behind, offering clues about health and disease. When we look at all these omics together, we get a complete 360-degree view of how living systems work. This layered approach is the heart of modern biology and the starting point for bioinformatics. Every experiment in today's biology produces a flood of data. Think about DNA sequences, massive tables of gene expression, intricate protein structures, and complex molecular interactions. For example, a single human genome contains over 3 billion base pairs. Without the right tools, this information would be overwhelming. That's where bioinformatics steps in. With specialized software, we can organize, visualize, and analyze all this data, transforming chaos into clarity. Numbers become knowledge, and patterns emerge that help us understand life at its deepest levels. This is why bioinformatics is essential for modern science. Work with biological data, you need to speak its language, and that means understanding file formats. FASTA files store raw DNA or protein sequences, while FASTQ files add quality scores for sequencing reads. SAM and BAM files record how those reads align to reference genomes, and VCF files list genetic variants and mutations. GFF or GTF files describe gene features on the genome. Mastering these formats is like learning the alphabet of bioinformatics, making it possible to share, analyze, and interpret data across labs and projects worldwide. Let's walk through a simple, hands-on bioinformatics task. Open your web browser and head to NCBI gene. Type in BRCA1 human and click on the first result. Here you can explore the gene's chromosome location, its length, and the protein it encodes. By clicking the FASTA link, you'll see the raw DNA sequence. In just a few clicks, you performed your first bioinformatics lookup. This is the foundation for every data-driven discovery in biology, showing how accessible and powerful these tools can be for anyone interested in exploring the secrets of life. Bioinformatics relies on a network of powerful public databases. NCBI is the go-to source for genes and genomes, while UniProt provides detailed protein information. Ensemble offers comprehensive genome annotation, and the PDB database lets you explore 3D protein structures. The UCSC Genome Browser is perfect for interactive genome visualization. Together, these resources form a global library of life, open to everyone. They make it possible for scientists, students, and enthusiasts to access, share, and build on the world's biological knowledge, fueling discoveries every day.